Now, small alien gentleman arriving back from a cycle. Where's Frankie? He's in your chair. Frankie's in Finn's chair. Go get him. Nice waddle. In a minute I'll take it off. Oh, you want to get Frankie. Get that Frankie. There he is, look. You want it off? Okay. Is it too hot? Oh, you're so hot. Get Frankie and give him a kiss. Is that your helmet? Thank you very much. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, thank you. I see Frankie. I see him. He's sitting in the chair having a rest, all by himself. Aww. Aww. It's okay. Frankie, give him a kiss. Aww. Frankie was waiting here all this time. Give him a hug. Here's Frankie. Oh, he was waiting all this time. Yep. Do you want to get into your chair? Or do you think it's time for your tea? No. Is it time for tea? Finn, are you hungry? You're home. Home. Are you getting up there to get a drink of your cup? It was very hot out on our cycle, but it was nice, wasn't it? You're getting up there so you can get your cup? There he is, up in the chair. Ah, yes. Nice to get a nice cold cup after you do a bike ride, isn't it?
Yeah. Careful in your chair.
It's Dada. Could you put down the keys, please? Put those down. Give them to Mum. Come on. May I have those?
Careful coming down. Watching with the keys coming in.
Could I have those keys? I'll help you get down then. 1, 2, 3. 1, up.
Oh, you're going to give those to Daddy? Oh, thank you.
Why wouldn't you give them to me? They're my keys.
Thank you.
Come here. Aw, you little dog.
You got a doggy?
Thank you. I get the dog. Thanks. What's that? Your special helmet? When do you wear that helmet, Finn? On the bike. Oh no.
What?
Why are you peeling out those stickers? I think you need those. Hey, Finn. Finn.
It's fun and exciting.
Hi. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
We can put them back in.
Give it to Daddy, he'll fix it. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Finn says sorry. I'm going to rip out another one. Sorry. Oh no.
Thank you. Thank you, buddy.
Oh no. Oh no, you've ripped out all of the pieces out of your helmet. Oh well. Guess it's not such a good design for little people. Oh, they're for me? Thanks. Thank you. Uh-oh, I dropped it. Thank you very much. Oh dear. Have you a boo-boo on your knee? Show me where your boo-boo is. Finn. Oh, you want to put it back on now? Wait. You want to put it on? No. Would you like a drink of milk? Are you going to do your dances? Do your dance. Woo! Yeah. Do it again. Woo! You have no moves compared to Riley. Would you like a drink of milk? Say, Riley. Maybe she'll come over and dance with you. Say, Riley. Time for a drink of milk? Say, okay, Mom. I'll get you a drink. Riley.